Hello all. Today we are going to discuss finding the vowels and consonants in a given string. So I have started a class called vowels and consonant VOWCONS, and then I have initiated the string value, that is I'm giving the input directly by using the data type string and naming the object as IN and giving the data as finding the vowels and consonants in the double quote. And I have to convert this into a lowercase letters. Because sometimes it cannot find, because whatever I'm giving asking for finding, the same letters only it will be finding. That's because I have mentioned only the small letters. I have to convert the given input, whatever the input is. Either it is going to be in capital letters or in small letters. Everything is going to be converted into lower level. So I'm giving string this particular in value to convert it into a lowercase, and I'm naming that as A. So in A, this sequence which is given in the string will be converted into lowercase and it will be stored in the variable A. And I'm initiating the temporary variables as V for vowels and C for consonants. I'm going to use this V in vowels and C in consonants. So we know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining values are all consonants. Other than A, E, I, O, U, all these variables comes under consonants. So I'm initiating a for loop to move the sequence from starting zeroth value to the last value. So int I is equal to 0 and I less than A dot length I plus this. So it will be moving from the starting to the last. And even we can convert the strings into character array individually. But here I have given in the if condition. So in that it will be converting the lowercase letters into individual character array. So here I have initiated a loop, for loop for I using the integer I, and in that I'm using a if condition. So if condition for vowels, if the given character in the variable A is either having A, E, I, O, U. If it is equal to that particular A, E, I, O, U, then the temporary variable V will be incremented. Whenever it is going through a vowel, the temporary variable V will be incremented. And similarly, I'm going for a else if condition. And in that also, I'm using this particular lowercase letters to convert it into a character array. So individual characters. And it has to go through whether it is not an A, E, I, O, U. That is not a vowel. If it is not a vowel, then it is going to be a consonant. So if it is a consonant, then the temporary variable C will be incremented. So here I can see that the first letter it will be going through for small f. As it is a small f, so finding the vowels and consonants, because it converts it all the values into um, small letters like this. Finding the vowels and consonants. So it will become, this input will be converted like this. And here it starts from F. And if it is checked in this if else condition, so here the first if will be failed, as because F is not present here as A, E, I, O, U. Therefore, it comes for the else if condition. Whereas as because it is not equal to A, E, I, O, U, the consonant will be incremented. So here it becomes 1. And similarly, next it will go for finding Fi. It goes for I, whereas here we can check that the I is present in the vowel. So here this vowel will be incremented by 1. So just like that, the values will be each and every time incremented while going through a vowel or a consonant. So let us check whether now what are the number of vowels in and the consonants which are present here. So as for we see here, we can see the vowels are 1, 2, and then 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think. Let's check here. Yeah. So the number of vowels are 9 and the number of consonants are 24. So this is how it works. So this is for the vowels and consonants. Thank you.